Hello friends, welcome to my channel Significant Updates. This is complete educational channel, so please subscribe and support. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new updates from my channel.
NTPC Recruitment 2021. In this video, I am going to explain you complete information about this recruitment. So don't skip the video, watch complete video for better information. Vacancy details: Executive Safety 25 posts, Executive IT Data Center Data Recovery 8 posts, Senior Executive Solar 1 post, Specialist Solar 1 post. Eligibility criteria: candidates should possess engineering degree for all the posts. Qualification: engineering degree in mechanical, production, electrical, civil, power engineering with at least 60% marks from a recognized university institution with a full-time diploma in industrial safety from regional labor institute or institutions recognized under the Factories Act rules, or full-time engineering degree in industrial safety or fire and safety with at least 60% marks from a university or institutions recognized under the Factories Act rules of any state. Executive IT Data Center Data Recovery 8 posts on fixed term basis for 3 years. Qualification: engineering degree in computer science, IT, electronics and communication with at least 60% marks from a recognized university or institutions. Experience of profile: should have knowledge, experience in Unix OS, Oracle, RDBMS, networks, Windows Server, enterprise storage, database administration. Its candidate having hands-on experience of SAP will be preferred. Age limit: executive 35 years, senior executive solar 45 years, specialist solar 55 years. Application fees: candidates belonging to general EWS OBC category will have to pay a non-refundable registration fees of 300, and the SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen and female candidates are exempted from this fees. Payment mode is offline and online. Salary: executive safety and executive IT data center data recovery consolidated fixed monthly pay of 71,000. Senior executive solar and specialist solar commensurate with the nature of experience and technical expertise. In addition, medical facilities and HRA company accommodation shall be provided. On official tour, company will reimburse boarding and lodging in addition to airfare. Period of engagement: fixed term basis for a period of 3 years for all posts. Selection process: interview or skill test. The process of apply: interested candidates should log on to our website. This is the website link, or visit careers section at www.ntpc.co.in for applying. No other means, mode of application shall be accepted. Candidates are required to possess a valid email ID. NTPC will not be responsible for bouncing back of any email sent to the candidates. Candidate belonging to general EWS OBC NCL non-creamy layer category is required to pay a non-refundable registration fees of 300. The SC, ST will and ex-servicemen will exempted from this. Payment in offline mode: State Bank of India has been authorized to collect the registration fees in a specially opened account. This is the account number at CAG branch, New Delhi, code 09996 on behalf of NTPC. Candidate has to approach the nearly SBI branch with a printout of the pay-in slip which is available on the application registration portal. The pay-in slip printed from the portal should only be used the fees for proper crediting of amount in the allocated account. On receipt of the money, the bank will issue a unique general number and a branch code of the bank collecting the money. This general number and the branch code are to be filled up by the candidate during online registration. NTPC will not be responsible in case a candidate deposit the fees in wrong account. Payment in online. Candidate also have the option to pay the fees online through net banking, debit card, credit card. The online payment option will be available on the website. The candidate is required to make the payment before proceeding for online application. After making successful payment, the challan number, bank reference number, date of payment are required to be filled up in the online application. Fee once paid will not be refunded under any circumstances. Candidates are therefore requested to verify their eligibility criteria before paying the registration fees. After applying online, candidate is required to download the registration slip generated by the system with unique registration number. Copy of registration slip may be retained by the candidate for future reference. No document is required to be sent to us by post. It is mandatory that eligible candidates go through the full text of the advertisement and agree to all the conditions given while applying for the post.